Sown in my head, and it all starts anew, but a bitter reminder. The darling of the wolfman and the love left behind her. Ease is yet to sink in, and there's no crackling fire, no lover to admire. In that cold, frail hounding, it just keeps haunting me, and taunts like the hates and memories of home. So I long for the spring in its merciful rain, to thaw your reflection from the stillness of day, and to lend me the truth which I've long sought to learn, how to live while dying, and how to die and return. The blankets fall, eases yet to sink in, and there's no crackling fire, no lover to admire. In that cold, frail hounding, it just keeps haunting me, and taunts like the hates and memories that won't leave me. Just keeps haunting me, it taunts like the hates and memories of only me. In that cold, frail hounding, it just keeps haunting me.
Hey, thank you.